Dear students, today we are doing some important questions of chapter number 1. मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो क्वेश्चंस है बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है और आपको जो है सबको ध्यान से अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करनी है ये क्वेश्चंस की। और आई थिंक आपका बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स अभी हो भी गए होंगे और आपके जो मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियोस जो अपलोड किए हैं उनको भी आप रेफ़र कीजिए, आपके बहुत काम आएंगे। दूसरी चीज़ मैं आपको कहना चाहूँगा, ये वीडियो आप अंत तक देखिए, आप अंत तक अप टू द लास्ट आप देखिए और इस वीडियो में आपके लिए कुछ खास है, समथिंग स्पेशल फॉर यू एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। सो मेरा मानना है कि आप उसे देखिए और आपको कुछ न कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होने वाला है। सो आई होप यू विल लाइक द वीडियो अप टू द एंड एंड कमेंट। अगर आपको और कोई डाउट होता है, कोई क्वेश्चंस है, कोई सम है, या मुझे बताइए कि आपको क्या टॉपिक में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, तो मैं उसके रिगार्डिंग भी एक वीडियो ज़रूर अपलोड करूँगा। और तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अभी। तो आवर फर्स्ट सम, एंड वन मोर थिंग, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर इट मैक्सिमम, ताकि आपके और भी जो दोस्त हैं, जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, उसको इसका बेनिफिट मिल सके। ओके, सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 1/2 पावर -2। सो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव पावर है सब जगह, आप देख सकते हो। तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना होगा, हेयर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला इफ a पावर माइनस m इट इज इक्वल टू 1/a पावर m। To convert negative power into positive power, what we have to do, we have to do the reciprocal. So do the reciprocal of all these terms. So this become 2 square. Reciprocal of this 3/2. Again the power will be positive because we have done the reciprocal. In this also do the reciprocal. The power become positive. Now 2 square is 4. This become 9/4, and this is your 16/4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Now we have to take the LCM of 4 and 9. As they are co-prime, so their LCM is 36. 4 9s are 36. Now as you know, here it is 1, so 136 are 36. So 4 into 36 we get 144. Okay, again 4 9s are 36, so multiply 9/9, 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36, so multiply this by 4, 16 4s are 64. Add all these, what we get, 289, 200/36. So this is our required answer, and this complete our first important question. Yes, dear students, now we have to start the second question, and I want to say that मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा आपको, अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है आपको तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, कहा भी जाता है कि ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ता है, तो इस ज्ञान को, इस नॉलेज को सिर्फ अपने पास नहीं रखें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी आप जरूर शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इसका बेनिफिट ले सकें। नाउ सी, इन दिस सम यू कैन सी दैट द बेस इज सेम, द बेस इज सेम एवरीवेयर, so we can compare the power. If the base is same, then you can compare the power. So to do this sum, we have to use the formula a power m into a power n. The base is same and there is a product, then you can add the power a power m plus n. अगर आपका बेस सेम है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन हो तो पावर को ऐड कर सकते हैं। So how to do this sum? See, here also the base is same, so we can add the power. So we get now see that this side, left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means the base is same, the power must also be same, then only it is possible. So compare this, what we get, this is negative sign, so take this side, this become positive. 3x equal to 9, so x become 9 by 3, so x equal to 3. So our answer is 3, and this complete our second question. Yes, dear students, now see third sum. We have to find x in this. So how to find this? Divide by 7. So 7 will come here. Now we can do the cross multiplication. This will go this side. Six into 7. Again 6 7s are 42. Now see, this is positive. Take this side. We have to change the sign, so it becomes negative. So we get 2 power 3x minus 1. It is equal to 32. Now we get the 32, and here it is 2. So find the factors of 32. Do the prime factorization. 2 16 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So we get 32. It is equal to 2 power 5. So this can be written as 2 power 5. Now again you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the base is same. The base is same, so power must be equal. Therefore 3x minus 1, it is equal to 5. This is negative. Take this side, this become positive. 5 plus 1, 6. So x equal to 6 by 3. 3 2 are 6. So x equal to 2. So this complete our third question. Now seeing fourth sum. Here it is, power is negative. So do the reciprocal, you get the positive power. So this become 16 by 81 power 5 by 4. Again here also the power is negative. Do the reciprocal of this. We are getting this. Now see, do the factorization of 16 and 81. So do the factorization of 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again factorization of 81. 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 16 it is equal to 2 power 4, and 81 it is equal to 3 power 4. So what we get? 2 by 3 power 4. Because 16 is 2 power 4 and 81 is 3 power 4. So the power of both 2 and 3 it is 4. Again 9 is the square of 3 and 25 is the square of 5. So how we can write this? 3 by 5 square. The power is 5 by 2. Now we have to use the formula. A power m and its power n. It is equal to a power m into n. Okay. So this is m, this one is n. Compare with that. So what we get? 2 by 3, 4 into 5 by 4. Again here 3 by 5, 2 into 5 by 2. 4 4 are 4 and 4 cancel this, 2 and 2 cancel. So what we get? 2 by 3 power 5 into 3 by 5 power 5. So this is your 2 power 5. We can separate the power 2 power 5 and 3 power 5. This can be written as 3 power 5 and 5 power 5. These both are same. 2 power 5 multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what we get? 32. On multiplying 2 5 times we get 32. Again this one 5 power 5 3125. So this is our answer, and this complete fourth question. Now fifth question. See again how to do this sum. See, this become x power ab minus ac, a into b and a into c. Again denominator b into a minus bc, b into c, bc. Division. Here again using the same formula, b into c, bc. So this become x power bc, and this become a into c, x power ac. Now we have to use the identity a power m upon a power n. It is equal to a power m minus n. So see, here base is same and the power is different. So in division we have to subtract the power. Here also the base is same, so subtract this power. Here also you have to subtract the power. So what we get? X power ab minus ac minus ba minus bc divided by x power. Here also the base is same, so subtract the power bc minus ac. So in this what we get? ab minus ac, open the bracket, here it is minus sign, so you have to change the sign. It's negative sign, outside is minus sign, so you have to change the sign, so it become positive, divided by x power bc minus ac. Now see, ab and ba both are same, here it is subtraction sign, so this will cancel. So what we get? X power bc minus ac, here it is division sign, it means divided by x power bc minus ac. You can see that both numerator and denominator both are same, so when you divide the same number, what you get? 1. So this is our required answer, and this complete our fifth sum. Yes friends, thanks for watching this video till end. And as I told you of giveaway, so in this sum what you have to do, you have to just any 5 questions, कोई भी 5 questions from chapter 1. अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी किसी भी 5 क्वेश्चन में फ्रॉम एनीवेयर आपको कोई डाउट है, तो दिस इज माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर, आप इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप कर दें वो सम्स, और मैं आपको उसका लाइव, जैसे मैं आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ा रहा हूँ वैसे मैं आपको ऑनलाइन आपको जो है वो 5 सम्स आपके डाउट्स, वो क्या है, ऑनलाइन आपके 5 डाउट्स क्लियर करूँगा फेस टू फेस. ओके, so this is the giveaway for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and comment on this.